Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you create custom watermark to your videos in CapCut PC for PC. So for example, you are just going to select your videos or just photos that you like to edit. For example, right, this video. So you can create a watermark with text or with logo or with image. For instance, if you want to create watermark with text, you are just going to select text, select default text, and change the text you like. For example, right, you can change for the font style and font size. So to to make it like a watermark, you are just going to adjust for the opacity, just scroll down on basic, and you can change for opacity, just uh, turn, turn down. Here we go, that's it. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below.